Da sumar bha yaladie. Take care of yourself. Da sumar bha yaladie. Take care of yourself. Ka sunbeneng kadang kela. The weather is changing. The weather is changing. Kan dang kriat shu. It is going to be colder. It is going to be colder. Penbiang ki jan rban. Get ready with thick clothes. Get ready with thick clothes.